Traders, Costco, we bought these $720 put options at $1.50. Costco is gapping down right now $11. That means that the $720 puts are going to pay us super big money because they're going to gap up in the morning. $720 puts. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Here's something very interesting. We're starting to fall below that 50-day moving average right there. Our next level of support would be the 100-day moving average right around 676. We have a daily sell signal to go along with Costco. PVH missed earnings, and that's helping the Costco trade go lower right here, right now. Trade with Tommy Trader. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. There is a correction. It started today, and more downside is coming.